Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Analytics 4 goals without Optimize. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring Google Analytics 4 goals without using Optimize, log into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section in the bottom left corner. In the admin panel, find the property where you want to restore goals. Select the events option under the property column. Click on the Create Event button. This allows you to set up a new event based on existing ones. Enter a descriptive name for your new event. Next, define the conditions that trigger this event. Use parameters like event name, value, or user engagement metrics to set your criteria. Once you've configured the conditions, click on Create. After the event is created, go back to the admin section. Now, select Conversions under the property column. Click on the New Conversion Event button. Enter the name of the event you just created. Save the changes to finalize the conversion setup. You have now restored a goal in Google Analytics 4 without needing to use Optimize. To verify your setup, navigate to the real-time reports. Check if your new conversion event is being tracked as expected. By following these steps, you can effectively manage goals in Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.